After purchasing an expired domain, can you rebuild it with the old content and how to do it? Yeah, we've got a ton of videos on this, so I guess we'll go ahead and just give you a short answer because we're almost out of time as well. Nick, you want to go ahead and take this one?
Yeah, sure. So you can do it, and let's start with how you would do it. You would do an archive rebuild. Archive.org will show you different places in time where the website existed, what's been kind of recreated or held in value in sense of like how many pages are still there, etc. And then you could do something like type into Google archive rebuild. There are free ways to do this. There are paid ways to do it that are pretty cheap that you could just on the fly have a archive rebuild done immediately. There are different factors that run into doing archive rebuilds in the sense of like copyright values. Like let's say you've got a legal website or something, maybe you get a letter at some point or an email about, or even just the site gets taken down for a cease and desist letter. But it is pretty rare. Now, I do talk about it in the case study that I wrote, and I do have a small excerpt on archive rebuilds versus fresh content. And what you'll come to find is that archive rebuilds don't resonate in the SERPs the same way that fresh content does. You're going to get a lot more influence out of fresh content than you are out of archive rebuilds. And I think that's because people have been doing them for so long that Google knows if you're rebuilding a site that existed 15 years ago, and like it's HTML versus WordPress or something like that, and there's a bunch of broken links, that you're trying to do something that isn't quite the norm. So in regards to like using them for, let's say, PBN building, great option. In regards to using them to try and build a new affiliate website, not the best option. Would go with fresh content. So that's about it.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Be sure to check the links below for more info on this topic, as well as other cool stuff like SEO case studies, our Facebook community, and our link building services. And like always, please like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Thanks, and happy ranking.